What advice would you give to students who live outside the United States and who are interested in developing their leadership and management skills so they can pursue a management job in the United States or work internationally?
Great question. Now, the international student that is seeking to be more of a global leader, more of a person that can move between countries as they transact business, needs to recognize that actually it's larger than just the United States. So if they're just focused on the United States, that's the first thing that I would tell them, to expand their mind and think, because most services now are done beyond just these borders. So you determine where you're likely to do business, and you need to become familiar with just being a global leader, being someone who can respect different cultures, understand that there is a certain amount of soft skills, if you will, that are needed in order to conduct business with individuals over a large geographic area, and learn the language of that you're transacting in. They're still, even though individuals like to say English is the primary business language, it still will serve you well to be able to transact business in the native language of whatever country that you're dealing with, or have some connection to someone who's a native speaker. Because the one thing that I do know is that as you translate things back and forth, there's sometimes things that can be lost. The nuances in certain aspects of language. So for the international student that is seeking to be that global leader, being able to be that global business person, you need to make sure that you don't narrow your scope to just thinking of how do I become successful in the United States, but just think about what type of industry that you're in, what are the likely places that you're going to do business, and be versatile. Understand the role that organizations within the United States has in that field, and then where else that they're influenced, or at least that industry is influenced. Those are the things that I would tell a student that is international, that is seeking to expand their experience and their influence over a particular field.